Deno, it's an anagram of Node, also most popular topic of 2020. To get started, go to Deno.land. If you have Mac, follow this command to install Deno. If you have Windows, do choco install Deno. If you don't have Chocolatey, go to this link. These are few more ways to install Deno. Just open your terminal and paste the command to get started. Once done, open your favorite IDE. For better developer experience, install Demo plugin. Inside your directory, create a TypeScript file. Give it any name, in my case, server. To run demo server, type Deno run your file name. Now let's copy and paste basic server from Deno.land. Now rerun the file. As you can see, we got an error. Permission denied of network access. This is because Deno is secure by default. To fix this, we have to pass allow net or allow all flag. Now open the local host inside your browser. Let's start building our REST API. Import application from oak, which is an anagram of Koa. Define a constant post. Give it value of 5000. Make an object of the application. Now log anything for now. Deno has top level await, so we don't have to specify an async function for async task. Listening request on port 5000. The error we got is because no middleware. To fix this, create another file. Name it routes. Now import routes from oak. Make router object. Call get method from router object. It takes two parameter URL of the request and a callback function. This function receives a context argument. Inside function body, we can send response by accessing response.body object from context. Now export our router object. Inside server.txt file, import our router. Assign routers to our application and also assign allowed methods. Leave blank to allow them all. Correct / to forward slashes. Rerun the server. As you see, we got a response. If we can define get method, we can define post and other methods too. Just copy our code and change get to post. Update response body to observe change. This is Deno under 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. See you guys in future videos.